Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change App Store country without payment method. So if you want to change the country in App Stores and you do not want to put any payment method, so you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply look for the here profile section. Here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on name or Apple ID. Here after that you have to wait for some time so that it can verify your Face ID, and after verification of your Face ID, a new kind of interface will be available. Here you can simply check for the country or region, and you have to simply select the country you want to change. uh, and here you have to simply select, for example, if you want to change the country to United States, then you have to scroll it down until you find the option of the United States. And after that, what you have to do, you have to agree the terms and condition of the United States. But before that, you have to make sure that you have cancelled any subscription which will not work in the United States. So you have to review your purchases. So after that, you have simply continue, click on continue, and after that you have to provide agree the terms and condition. And after agreeing the terms and condition, you have to simply provide the payment method here. So in the payment method, you will find many options. So one of the option is PayPal and any other credit card or debit card. So you have to make sure about that you will find the option of none in the payment method. So if you click on done here, you will find the option of none. So here you have to provide your billing address, and after providing your billing address, you have to verify your payment method, and after that you have to simply go back and you have to click on continue, and after that your country will be changed without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.